Trade Ideas markets itself as a premium trading tool, but there's a key aspect of its pricing plans that often gets overlooked, and misunderstanding it can stall your progress. I traded with both the basic and premium plans, and the practical differences I found weren't what I expected. If you're weighing the Trade Ideas subscription price against its potential returns, what I uncovered will give you the clarity you need. But before we go deeper into the Trade Ideas pricing, let's be crystal clear about who this platform is actually built for. The truth is, Trade Ideas isn't built for the casual buy-and-hold investor. This tool has one target user, the active, serious trader who needs speed. Think about the day trader scanning for momentum plays, the swing trader testing strategies, or anyone who knows that seconds can mean the difference between a win and a loss. They've built their entire service around delivering actionable, AI-powered trade ideas. We're talking real-time scanning, automated backtesting, and Holly AI's live alerts. This is for the trader who treats the market like a business and needs to cut through the noise to find high-probability setups. Now, don't just take my word for it. When you look at what other users are saying about Trade Ideas, the story becomes clear. Take this Redditor, for example. He said he's been using Trade Ideas for a bit and calls it honestly solid. He highlighted how it scans in real time and sends alerts for good setups, and even said his win rate has definitely gone up since using it. He did mention there's a bit of a learning curve, but once you're past that, it's a great platform. So yeah, this perfectly highlights who Trade Ideas is built for. If you're someone who values actionable signals over manual chart staring, who needs to backtest a strategy before risking real money, and who wants to react to market moves as they happen, then Trade Ideas is built for you. Now, when you compare Trade Ideas with a popular competitor like TradingView, the difference in purpose becomes clear. TradingView excels as an incredible charting and social analysis platform. It's fantastic for broad research and community ideas. But for deep, real-time, AI-driven trade scanning and automated strategy testing, Trade Ideas has a clear edge. Its whole system is built to find and alert you to trades right now, which is something you just don't get with more general analysis tools. TradingView might help you draw the trend line, but Trade Ideas aims to tell you the exact moment to enter. Now that you know who Trade Ideas is for, let's get into what you're paying for and see if the Trade Ideas subscription price is justified. The first thing that grabbed my attention was the core structure of their plans. They have a free tester plan, which is a smart way to get a feel for the platform with features like stock racing and some basic alerts. But the real power unlocks with the paid tiers. The Blue Bundle gives you real-time data, live paper trading, and the ability to trade right from the platform. This is where it starts to get serious. But the Premium plan, often called the Powder Elite, is where the famous Holly AI lives. This is the heart of the Trade Ideas value proposition for active traders. So, what does Holly AI actually do? This isn't just some simple scanner. I used it to track live signals. They even have a public Holly records page showing past performance, so I spent some time here to see if the AI was just picking random stocks or identifying real patterns in the market. Seeing real trade examples helped me understand its logic. One of the most powerful features for me was the backtesting engine, which they call the Oddsmaker. This lets you take any strategy, any scan, and run it against historical data. I could see the profit factor, the win rate, and the projected return. This is invaluable. It turns a gut feeling strategy into a data-backed plan. You're not just hoping a setup works, you can see how it has worked, and this alone can save you thousands in bad trades, which I think starts to justify the Trade Ideas cost. Now, a newer and very interesting feature is called TradeWave. This puts AI-powered buy and sell signals directly on your charts. While tools like TradingView have similar indicator concepts, TradeWave is built specifically from Trade Ideas' market scanning data. I found it helpful for confirming the trend direction on stocks that Holly or my own scans had identified. And next, let's not forget the real-time stock race. So this is fun. It's this unique way to visualize your data. Your top-ranked stocks from any scan literally race across the screen. During fast market openings, it instantly shows you which symbols are leading in momentum. It cuts through the information overload, essentially. And this brings us back to that user review. So when that Redditor said that Trade Ideas scans the market in real time and sends alerts when a good setup pops up, he's essentially talking about the core of these features all working together. The AI does the heavy lifting of the scan, tools like the Oddsmaker let you test it, and then you execute on the chart. It's a complete workflow. This sentiment is echoed on other expert sites too. For instance, a review on optionstrading.org noted that if you're serious about trading and ready for top-tier AI tools, Trade Ideas is absolutely worth considering, especially the premium plan for its real-time data and strategy testing and AI. These tools are why active traders rely on it. It's not a casual investing app, it's a professional-grade workstation. So, is the Trade Ideas price worth it? Well, my simple answer is yes, for the right trader, of course. But for real, no platform is going to be perfect. There are a few things that you have to be aware of before you sign up. So in my research, I came across some user reviews that pointed out some real frustrations people had. One user talked about his experience with the test drive. He signed up expecting full feature access, but found many advanced features were locked. He also copied some AI trades and lost money, and questioned the AI's intelligence, and essentially criticized the platform's interface as clunky and outdated. So yeah, I do get that frustration. Regarding the AI trades, it is crucial to remember that Holly AI or any scanner provides opportunities, not guarantees. It filters the market based on rules and data, but it doesn't control the market. It can't predict everything perfectly. You still need risk management and your own intelligence. Relying on any tool 100% without your own judgment is a recipe for disaster. As for the trial concerns, it's always vital to read the terms of any test drive carefully. While this user's frustration is valid, most of the issues I've seen do seem to be related to the initial learning period rather than the core functionality and people's misunderstandings of the platform. The platform's stability and the speed of its alerts and its tools are what really truly justify the Trade Ideas price for active traders, and that's where Trade Ideas consistently delivers for its user base. When it comes to Trade Ideas' subscription price, the pricing plan is structured for serious users. For a casual investor dabbling once a month, the Trade Ideas subscription price might seem steep. But for an active day trader or swing trader analyzing dozens of setups daily, the cost of a premium plan can be covered by a single good trade that the platform helped you identify, or by avoiding one bad trade through backtesting. For the most current Trade Ideas pricing plans, or any active promotion deals, and if you want to see which tier truly fits your trading style, check that link in the description of this video. So, what is my final verdict on this Trade Ideas price breakdown? Well, if you're a serious, active trader who makes decisions based on data and speed, then Trade Ideas' cost is well worth it. The platform's AI scanning, backtesting, and automation, among many other things, provides a tangible edge that free charting platforms can't match. It's the difference between manually searching for trades and having a system deliver high-probability setups to you. So, make sure to check that link in the description to see their latest pricing and to get started right away.